Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to secure your GeoFiber router. First, you will need to access your router's administration panel. You can usually do this by typing its IP address, often 192.168.299.1, into your web browser. Then, log in using the default credentials provided by Geo. The very first and most critical step is to immediately change that default administrator password to a strong, unique combination of at least 8 characters. This prevents unauthorized access to your router settings. Next, let's strengthen your Wi-Fi security. Change your Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, from the default to something unique. This makes it harder for others to identify your network. Crucially, set a strong Wi-Fi password. Aim for at least 8 characters, mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Finally, ensure your encryption method is set to WPA2PSK or, even better, WPA3 for robust data protection across your wireless connections. Now, let's explore some advanced protection measures. It's highly recommended to disable WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, as it can be a security vulnerability. Next, activate your router's built-in firewall. This acts as a barrier, blocking unauthorized access attempts from the internet. For visitors, consider setting up a separate guest Wi-Fi network. This keeps your main network and all your personal devices isolated and secure from external access. Finally, ongoing maintenance is key to sustained security. Make it a habit to regularly check for and install firmware updates for your router. These updates often include critical security patches and performance improvements. Also, periodically review the list of connected devices in your router's interface. If you see anything unfamiliar, remove it immediately. And for an extra layer of protection, change your Wi-Fi password every few months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.